Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Tim Meyer's videos, where we talk about classic cars, hot rods, and awesome bikes. So I'm out here, just got a new project going on. I am on a journey to restore a classic car, a 1959 Mercury Monterey two-door hardtop. Just picked this baby up a little over a month ago. Windshield's going to be replaced next month. So right now we're just going through it, putting new brakes on all four tires and new brake lines. But it's a very solid car. It looks like a piece of junk, but honestly it's just a little sunbaked. I just got done painting the trunk. There's no rust holes in the trunk. Really solid. But yeah, this is it's coming along. This interior is completely gutted right now. I'm getting ready to patch up a couple of rust spots, but and then we'll get the carpet in here. Everything's gonna be all redone, all new upholstery, new paint job. We just finished that brake the other night, so that's ready to go. Yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. They really support my channel, and yeah, just keep watching and watch this journey happen. Thanks.